Every morning, before the guests wake up, this beach is already being taken care of. This eco-friendly beach resort in the Philippines is run by a local family that cleans the beach every single day, as part of their daily routine and their respect for the ocean. Overnight, the ocean washes ashore seaweed and natural debris. Instead of throwing it away, the staff carefully collects everything in large woven baskets, keeping the shoreline clean and natural. The seaweed is then rinsed right here in the breaking waves of the Pacific Ocean, using nothing but seawater, motion, and time. No machines, no chemicals, just nature doing the work. After that, it's reused as natural fertilizer for the gardens around the resort, helping plants grow stronger and healthier while reducing waste completely. This simple process saves resources, supports the local ecosystem, and keeps the resort truly sustainable. The result is a clean beach for the guests, healthy plants for the resort, and long-term care for the local environment. A true win-win for nature, the community, and everyone who visits.